Your grammar is not the problem, so don't wait for perfect grammar. Hello everyone, my name is Rakhi and I'm from UP, and guys, this is day 25 of English Confidence Building series. And guys, I hope that you all are doing great. And in this video, I will talk about how to speak English without grammar fear. So let's begin. So before I move further in this video, let me give you a real example related with English. Okay, so in my class 12th, one of my classmates, she don't know what is sentences are. She don't know what is future, past, and present. Okay, but she can write English very well. What answer she write in the exam or in the class, she brief very well, and she can speak English even she don't know what is sentences. Okay, and this is honestly true. She is my classmate. So without worrying about grammar, you have to focus on English learning. Okay, you have to focus on English language. You know what are the mistakes English learners do while they start learning English? They divide the language. They divide in the grammar, they divide in the vocabulary. They want to know what is the proper structure of English speaking. There is no proper structure at all. Have you have any structure of your mother tongue? We speak the same sentence in different ways. So there is no perfect structure of speaking of any language. There are so many different ways. One thing you can speak in 10 different ways. Very first thing you have to understand this. Okay, so now I will tell. Don't worry about grammar. First of all, start speaking English from your mouth. Yes, that is really important because once you started speaking from your mouth, once your mouth get trained to speak in English, you automatically start understanding where are you making mistakes and how to speak little more better. And this is the natural way of learning English. You know, guys, because I have learned English from zero, and I know that I never ever thought about grammar. I never ever thought about the right structure of the English. I started speaking English as I have shared in my previous video also. I have started speaking English as much I know English, and whatever I heard somewhere, whatever I have seen, whatever I have read in English, I started speaking those things. I started consuming new words, I started grabbing new phrases, and I started using in my daily life. And this is how I started adding a little and started speaking those things, and this is how it little by little started improving my English. And guys, I will tell you who English is just a language, so take it as a language. Don't divide it into parts. Okay, when you start learning English, focus on the language, focus on the words you speak. Okay, first of all, when you start speaking, just start speaking from your mouth. You will understand I'm not speaking that much well, but I can improve. That belief you should have. I will improve every day little by little. And English, I will say, learning a language is not one day work. No one gonna learn English in one day, or any other language. Nobody learn in one day. Okay, it will take little time. It is a process of learning, and when you keep doing English speaking practice, you will see the improvement. And this is the natural way of learning a language. Suppose I will give you one more example. Which people are living in the foreign, how they teach English to their child, how that child learn English. That child start listening from their parent. That child start listening first of all. Whatever that child listen, that the same thing he start speaking. That the same thing that child start listening, speaking. Slowly and gradually, those words start coming out of that child's mouth, and this is the natural process. And our Our childhood is the biggest example of learning a new language. As you have learned your mother tongue, as the same thing you have to learn English also. Whatever content you are listening, you listen and start speaking. Few of the words will be which remained in your mind, and then we will start speaking those words, start using those words in English. And this is a simple thing, and as much as you speak, that much perfection you will gain. So one of the most important thing is that start speaking from your mouth. When you speak from your mouth, then your mouth will get trained to speak in English, and slowly and gradually after few weeks English automatically come from your mouth. So first of all, focus on language and start speaking in English. So I want to tell all English learner, don't worry about grammar, don't worry about right structure of English speaking, don't take fear of English speaking, don't hesitate while speaking English. Speak as much as possible, because as much English speaking practice you will do, you will gain the perfection. So speaking is most important, because when you speak you will gain the confidence of English speaking. And guys, one more thing I want to tell, when you are doing listening practice, do active listening. Whatever you are listening, listen it carefully. Whatever that person is speaking to you, who the same topic, the same story, try to speak in your own way. When the same thing you will speak in your own words, you will feel confident, because you are speaking as well you can speak. You will start feeling confident, yes, I am speaking English. Okay, and you will also understand how well English you are speaking. And slowly and gradually, when you keep speaking in English, you will start feeling confident in yourself that yes, I am started speaking English. Now I can explain this situation. I can tell the story. I can speak on any topic. How you describe the situations. You try to speak in your own way. Don't try to speak each and every word exactly what the other person is speaking while you do listening practice. You try to speak those same story, those same topic in your own way. You will feel confident while speaking, because you know this is my way of English speaking and it can differ from other people's. Okay, this is very important thing. And guys, in the end I just want to give you a bonus tip. Start speaking English in simple way. Yes, start speaking English in simple way. For example, I go to market, I bought pen for me, I walk in the garden, I go for walk in the morning. So start speaking in simple way. Okay, and this is how you will gain the confidence, and you will speak English confidently. And do daily English practice, that is really important, and to gain improvement in English. So keep learning English, and when you learn any language naturally, you will enjoy that learning. So this is for today, and I will meet you in the next. If you are new in the channel, subscribe the channel and be the part of this journey. I will meet you in the another video. Bye bye.